Look here, they come to my town and you get a public toilet. You're like, damn, how does it stay so nice? Because you know that public toilet is like smeared with shit everywhere else. Well, I just ignore the fact of what I'm cleaning, and I just clean anyways. I got a little paper in my town. I get a little bit of water on it. I wipe it down. I scrub the whole freaking thing. Sometimes I pick it up and do the whole rim, but you know that part's important, right? I just take some paper and buff it down. Every single toilet I ever use every day. Same thing happens. And that's how my town is so nice. That's how they do it.